You can now send and receive files between your smartphone and your computer using Nearby Share, and it's way faster than Bluetooth. Let me show you how. First thing, on your computer, search for Nearby Share on Google, click on the first link that will come, and to take you to this web page, go ahead and hit on Get Started to download the file, and then go ahead and download the files. After downloading the file, locate the file inside your download folder, double click on it to install. So here it will download the full file and install it for you. And this is how the interface looks like. After installing, go ahead and hit on sign in. And this is how the page look like. You can go ahead and sign in here if you want, but you can still use it without signing in. You can change the name that you want it to appear on other devices. By default, it is set to no one, so go ahead and hit on that one. Hit on the drop down and select everyone. In that case, your device will be visible to nearby share devices so that other devices can share through Nearby Share. So after this, you go back and then you hit on done. Yeah, this one requires Bluetooth, so go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth as well. So let me turn on my Bluetooth. Yeah, and it's ready. So I have this file on my phone, so I just click on share, click on Nearby Share, and I will have to accept the transfer on my machine, on my PC, but I didn't show that part, and then it will start transferring the data. I mean, this is really fast than your regular Bluetooth, so just try it out. If you have any difficulties trying to do this, just let me know in the comment section, and then we'll take you through everything that you should need to know. It's really simple. As I said, just download the file, turn on your Bluetooth, and you are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow, like.